What's up, guys? Tommy557 here. We're going to be blowing this, and people are going to probably be getting really pissed. This is what it sounds like. We're going to be doing that in front of people, so let's see you guys later. Bye. Let's do it. So my brother's going to be doing it, so we'll see you guys when he does it. Bye. Change of plans. I'm up first, so my brother's not going to do it. He's going to be filming, so I'm ready. Guys, I literally got shoved by a teenager, and like I didn't even think that would happen. But it's not clickbait, no joke. Like this is ridiculous. So we'll see you guys later. Bye. My brother's gonna be doing it next. Oh shoot! People are looking. That's the end of this video. See you guys later. Bye.